What's up guys, it's Eric from B-Side. Today I am very excited to install our power amplifier to another new Toyota vehicle, which is the 2023 Toyota Crown. This is a pretty rare car that Toyota just released it. You don't see too many out on the road, but we were fortunate enough to get our hands on it and try our power amplifier to see how much difference it makes with and without our amplifier. So we're super excited. Let's get in the vehicle, let's install this, and let's show you how much difference it makes. All right guys, so now we're in the car. Let's go ahead and start the installation. So what we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna be removing some panels. We're gonna be removing this panel here. We're also gonna remove this panel right under the screen. We're gonna remove the climate controls, and there's gonna be 4 10mm bolts that we're gonna remove from under the screen, and then we'll go ahead and pull it out. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we're gonna raise the armrest, and we're gonna go ahead and grab this, and you could use an assistance of a panel removal tool if you wish. If not, you could just go ahead and just grab it and just pull it up and then pull it back like so. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and remove this. This will require you to use a panel removal tool. Let's go ahead and pry it out. Okay, just work your way out to removing the clips. Okay, once you removed all the clips, you'll notice that there's a little plastic tab there that's holding this piece. So use a little straight edge like this and just push it back, and you'll be able to bring it out like so. Next, we're gonna go ahead and remove this piece here, under panel. It's gonna drop it down. So let's go ahead and you could go ahead and just grab it here and just pull it out. All right, here it is. Okay. And then let's go ahead and remove the climate controller. Okay, there's a connector here, blue connector. Push down on the release tab and then push out to release and disconnect. Okay, there it is. Okay, and there's another connector on the bottom here. Let's go ahead and just wiggle it out. There's another one all the way here on the side for your power button, start button as well. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 of them is going to be facing up, so go ahead and use your 10mm socket, and you could either use a wrench or a power tool, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it counterclockwise to remove them. All right, so now that all those 10mm bolts are out, use a thick blanket here, and we're going to pull it out. This cluster piece is also going to just pushed out for a moment, but you could just snap it back in. So go ahead and push this garnish piece out of the way like so, and move it out like this. All right, so once we have this device out, these are the 2 connectors. We're going to be working on this and this. All right, so let me go ahead and disconnect these 2. So I'm going to disconnect these 2 top ones just so it's out of the way. Just don't forget to reconnect both of them. So this is for your speaker and this is for your power. Okay, so I'll just plug and play. Like so. You want to hear that click. Okay, and then let's go ahead and place this right here. Okay, just use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen it, and we're just gonna connect the ground wire. Okay, and then the rest is just these, and we are gonna connect it to our amplifier like so. All right, okay, and then let's reconnect these 2 back and test operation before mounting everything back. All right guys, so we went ahead and just did a temporary installation, just show you the before and after. We're gonna go ahead and find a place to mount it. There's no space behind the radio, so we're gonna go ahead and do that, but let me go ahead and show you the difference.
Okay, bitch, I'm anywhere in town. Thinking about the ways to get my bread up. Trying to see the train we was on.
Alright guys, well that concludes our installation and demonstration of our power amplifier on this 2023 Toyota Crown. We are very excited about the difference it makes. And if you have a Crown and if you're looking for a little bit more power to your factory JBL sound system, look no further, give us a try. With this price point, it should be a no-brainer. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.